Welcome back everyone, we are Manu, and in this video we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves and others in French. So let's start with présenter, which means to introduce oneself.
Présentez, vous, introduce yourself.
Whenever we are presenting ourselves, we usually start by saying hello. So here we are starting with
Bonjour, je m'appelle Pauline. My name is Pauline. Instead of Pauline, you can mention your own name, je m'appelle dash, and you can speak your name over here. J'ai 18 ans. I am 18 years old. So I hope you all remember 18 is a number which means 18, and we have learned about this in one of the previous videos. If you have not watched it,
you can find the link for that video in the description below.
And you can learn about numbers to mention your own age in French. You must have observed by now that je means I in French.
And if the word after je begins with a vowel, the vowels in French are A, E, I, O, U and H also. H is treated as a vowel in French. So you can say that A, E, I, O, U and H will be treated as vowels. So
if the word after je is beginning with a vowel, we will remove the E and we will add l'apostrophe, the apostrophe sign. As you can see here, A is a vowel, the word is beginning with A, which is a vowel, that's why we have removed the E and added apostrophe. Similarly, in the next line, j'habite à Paris, the word after je is beginning with H,
and H is usually silent in French and it's treated like a vowel only.
Here also we'll remove the E and add apostrophe and it becomes j'habite à Paris, which means I live in Paris. You can add your own city also over here. Next we have je parle français et anglais, which means I speak French and English. So French in French will be français and English is anglais.
Now let's see how to introduce someone else in French. So if you are introducing someone else and he's a boy,
then the pronoun that we will use here is il. So, il can be used to say he or his in French. So for boys, for males, we will use the pronoun il. So il s'appelle Eric will be his name is Eric. Il a 10 ans. He is 10 years old. Il habite à Lyon. Habite, you remember, habite means
to live.
Il habite à Lyon. Habite means live, and Lyon is a city in France. So il habite à Lyon will be he lives in Lyon. Il parle français. Parle means to speak, so he speaks French.
Now let's see how to introduce a girl in French. For girls, we will use the pronoun
elle, which can be used to say she or her. So, elle s'appelle Ria will be her name is Ria. Elle a 13 ans. She is 13 years old. Here we are using numbers to tell the age, and 13, if you remember, means 13. Elle habite à Delhi. She lives in Delhi. Elle parle hindi et anglais. She speaks Hindi and English.
So thank you everyone for watching. I hope you all learned something today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Au revoir
Et à bientôt.